Anujan S talks on refinery technology, which include processes, process equipment, and also oil economics.
This presentation we will discuss about the three element control which is popular in boiler drum level control as well as in process steam generator level control. Normally in process control we have one element or two elements coming into play for the control. The example is, okay, if you are adjusting a flow through a pipeline, you are measuring the flow through a pipeline and adjusting a valve in the pipeline itself. So you are measuring the flow, controlling the flow. It's only maybe one element coming into play. The other situation is when two elements coming into play, like you are controlling a level of a vessel by adjusting a flow from that vessel. You are adjusting the coolant temperature by adjusting the reflux, etc. The boiler drum level control or the process steam generator drum level control has got three elements which is slightly different from the other loops. The control parameters which come into play are 1. The boiler drum level, 2. The steam flow rate, and 3. The boiler feed water flow rate. So the control takes care of three process variables. This schematic shows a typical three element control for a drum level. You have boiler feed water coming in and the level of the drum changes, and there is a steam output flow measurement also. So the water flow to the drum is adjusted both by the drum level as well as by the steam production. So these three elements come together into play. The benefits of this control come in two different angles. One is to maintain the level when the header pressure to which steam is being supplied, that varies. This takes care of the fluctuations in the drum level in that case. So at some particular frequency you are doing a blowdown of the drum to remove the salts accumulated. So in that situation also the three element control system will be very effective. This schematic shows a steam header being maintained at a pressure P, and then 4 generators are supplying steam to the header. Now assume that one of the boilers tripped. So the steam input into the header will come down, but the users of steam, they will keep on using the steam at the original level itself. They are not worried about what the header pressure, where the header pressure moves. So since the mass input to the header comes down, at the same time the output is remaining the same. That means the number of molecules in the steam header will come down, resulting in a drop in steam header pressure. Since the system pressure is coming down, the boiling point will reduce. So suddenly there is very aggressive boiling, huge bubbles are formed, and we may get a swelling of the liquid level, which will be sensed wrongly by the level control, and this will think that level is going up, let me close the water valve. But actually this is a situation where the boiler should produce more steam. So this will result in level going down very fast. Explaining once again, when one of the boilers trip, the demand remaining the same, the input into the header becomes low, so the header pressure falls down. On this account, the boiling point of the water in all the boilers will come down. So there is a sudden swelling of the water level because of aggressive boiling, and this will be wrongly sensed by the level controller, which will try to close the boiler feed water valve. System regains the original situation after some time. We find that the level in the drum has gone very low. This will result in some major damage in some of the equipments. There is another situation where three element control will come very effective. That is when you are blowing down the boiler. At predetermined frequencies, you have to blow down the boiler to maintain the solids at a predefined level. When the operator does a blowdown, the level in the drum will come down, but the steam production will remain the same. So we cannot have a controller just to maintain the flow from the steam drum. So we have to necessarily take care of the drum level also. So here also three variables, that is drum level, steam production plus the boiler fluid water level. When they work together, the level can be maintained. So once again, the three elements which are coming into play in the boiler water drum level are 1. The drum level, 2. The steam production, and 3. The boiler water flow rate.
Before signing off, I have a few requests. If you like this video, please press the like button and also share this video with your friends so that they also can be benefited. If you have any comment on this video, please drop a line in the comment section just below this video so that I can try to incorporate in the future versions. Also do subscribe to my channel so that you get immediate notification whenever I upload similar videos in the future. Thank you.